In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Hubspot account. If you've decided that it's time to move on from Hubspot, maybe switching to a different platform, or just reducing the number of services you're subscribed to, this guide will walk you through the process of deleting your account in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and go to the Hubspot website. HubSpot is a comprehensive set of tools for your business, so it's essential to make sure you're on the official site to avoid any confusion or security risks. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the option to log in. Click on Login to proceed. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can manage all your activities related to HubSpot services. Now direct your attention to the top right corner once more and locate your profile icon. Clicking on your profile will open a drop-down menu with several options available. From the drop-down menu, look for the Account and Billing section. This is where you can manage all the administrative aspects of your HubSpot account, including your subscription and billing details. Click on Account and Billing to move to the next step. Now within the Account and Billing page, you'll want to find and select the option that says Delete Account. This might be located towards the bottom of the page, so you might need to scroll down slightly. Clicking on Delete Account initiates the process of closing your account permanently. Once you click on Delete Account, you will be asked to confirm your decision. This is an irreversible step, so make sure you're absolutely certain that you want to proceed. If you are, click on the final Delete Account button to confirm. After this step, your HubSpot account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. That's it. You've successfully processed your account for deletion. Keep in mind that this process removes all your data and history from HubSpot, so if there's any information you want to keep, be sure to back it up beforehand. Thank you for following along with me today. Deleting an account might seem like a straightforward task, but it's always good to ensure each step is completed carefully. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other guides for managing your online accounts and services. Have a great day.